stand it here. Alright, what up guys? So we're gonna do a little bushcraft today and try and shoot some squirrels maybe to eat. We're just gonna do a little day out here at my grandparents' house. It's kind of far back in the woods, maybe like a mile or two hike. We got a little pond back here out in the middle, trying to catch some fish, maybe flay them up, cook them on a fire or something. We're not gonna do it we're not gonna stay overnight or anything because it's pretty cold out. Yesterday it was really nice, about 50 degrees, and today we have like 3 or 4 inches of snow, so it's kind of hard to stay out in the woods when you got to deal with those conditions. We'll probably do one over the springtime or something out here, maybe a little overnighter, but today we're pretty much just gonna maybe build a fort or something. We're not really sure yet. Start a fire going and try and get some food to eat. Alright, see you guys. Alright guys, so we just got the fire going. Took us about 45 minutes, maybe a half hour or so. We got some like blizzard-like conditions a little bit ago. It's starting to cool down, or not cool down, but snow's starting to slow down a little bit now. We had like 15-mile-an-hour winds or so that wasn't really the easiest of tasks to get it going with the wind going and everything. We got some little bit of kindling and stuff like that underneath of it. Finally got it dried out a little bit after starting to light it on fire for a little bit. Started with a little mag stick or whatever, but it's going pretty good now. One of the key aspects is we knew we needed to get it to go because it's one of the key aspects of bushcraft. Keeps you warm. You can cook food and stuff over it, boil your water if you want. So that's we really needed to get it started, but that's how it's going now. We'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so I'm trying to catch a little bluegill or something through the ice out in a little pond. Hopefully we can get one so we can catch some dinner or something. Fry them up. No luck so far. Haven't even had a bite or anything. Got a little wax worm on a little pinky jig or something. Just kept jigging up and down a little bit off the bottom, about a foot or so. No bites. I know there's some pike in here. I don't know how many panfish or anything, but the pike gotta eat something. We hook into a pike with this light line. Might not be the greatest thing, but it'll be a fun story, that's for sure. Fire's going pretty good. Might try and kill a squirrel or something to eat. Haven't eaten much all day, kind of just been chilling out here. Didn't bring any granola bars or anything, so hopefully we can catch something pretty soon. Well, I'll keep you updated. Yeah, we just kind of wanted to get some water or whatever, so We don't have to eat, or I guess drink the snow, kind of. I mean, I guess eat it, but we don't really want to get dehydrated out here, even though it's pretty cold. You don't even feel like you're getting dehydrated. Alright guys, we just boiled the water. How is it?
Pretty demonetized.
That's not the greatest thing in the world, but it's definitely drinkable.
At least it's clean.
Right about that, at least it's clean, but it tastes almost kind of smoky from the fire or something. I'm not really sure what to think about it, but I've never had water like that before. We just melted some snow down or whatever, put it in this little pan or whatever you want to call it. It doesn't produce much snow because the snow is like really light and stuff, so when it melts down it doesn't produce much water, but you could definitely get a good amount if you just kept doing that, scooping it back up, put it in the fire, scoop it back up. So it's actually not the worst thing I've had in the world, but it's not the best taste than Aquafina, that's for sure. Start building a little structure for us, even though we're not staying the night over here tonight. It's a little too cold out for us, even though we probably could, but we'll probably wait till spring or something. But all we're gonna do is just gonna try like a little tripod almost base kind of thing, and then stack some logs on top of the triangle, so we can get it covered over with some. So the rain isn't, if it rains or whatever in the springtime, which it probably will, we won't get that wet or anything. We might drape a tarp over it or something if it starts to rain. But then we're gonna lay some logs up against like that, kind of like make a little A-frame kind of thing. Should be pretty nice. We're just gonna burrow it out and stuff also. Got the fire right behind us, so if we wanted to move it over a little bit underneath of it, stay warm. We probably won't need it when we actually stay at night out in the woods, but it's nice just to have it just in case, so we don't get cold or anything. And then the summertime, we're probably just gonna have a hammocks or something set up right in this area. So we'll keep you updated on how the fort or structure goes, I guess. But I'll see you guys. Alright guys, we just got this little fort set up. Only took us about 10 or 15 minutes or so. It's a quick little fort. We could easily put like a sleeping bag in it if we wanted to stay out here overnight. We got the fire behind us, cozy up right to it, keep us pretty warm. But if it was like summertime or something, we'd definitely put some more time into it. Maybe stuff some leaves inside like the little gaps in between the branches and stuff, so that way it wouldn't really, the rain wouldn't get us as wet or whatever. But right now it's all snowy and everything's pretty much dead, which we did use all dead trees, by the way, and we didn't cut anything down or anything. It was just dead brush that was just laying around, so don't get mad at us for that. But turned out pretty nice. We could easily just stay overnight or something like that. So thanks for watching.